Yun, dumating na nga yung mga Austin Reeves natin. Napadami naman, grabe. RC. Meron lang naman tayong tatlong nakuha. Tapos another RC, dalawa. Ayan. Prestige. Tapos meron tayong nakuhang mosaic. Dalawa. Tapos isang silver. Ayan. Rookie Recon. Ayan. Recon. Meron tayong dalawang nakuha base. Tapos yung isa numbered 74 by 199. Prism base. RC. RWB. Green. Rookie. Tapos syempre yung essential niya, siyam na pirasong RC. Tapos meron tayong tatlong autograph. Green mosaic. Another Recon, second green. NBA hoops. Donruss. Court Kings. Blacks. Purple. Silver. Prism. Second green. Hoops. Purple and green. Tapos top scrum. Hoops, blue. NBA hoops. Tapos, ayan, top of the class. Tapos ito, base. Purple yata. Base lang. Tapos ito, meron tayong blue. Crack ice. Purple. Freezing. Pink crack ice. Tapos another variation. Pink crack ice din pala. Ibang post naman. Ayan. Kala mo parehas lang eh. Crack ice. Freezing. Silver crack ice. Silver lang. Freezing. Select. Crack ice blue. Tapos meron tayong tectonic. Tricolor. Green, white, purple. Tapos blue crack ice. Ayan o. Tectonic red. Mosaic. Tapos numbered pa. 124 by 299. Tapos ito, NBA hoops red. Numbered din. Hindi pala. Numbered niya, 5488. Crown Royal bronze. Tapos Monopoly. Prism. Meron tayong dalawang kapya. 2 copies. Tapos meron din tayong RWD, 2 copies din. That's all na meron tayong Austin Reeves. Nakakadabi. Pwede na ibenta.